I'm William from China, Good Lube. I am very glad to have the opportunity to be in cooperation with OilSafe and Sentry. We are the Nordic license partner focused on the lubricating training and consulting service to local market to help to enhance the reliability for the equipment. We are very glad after we do the training, change the mindset of the customer, and they need a solution. OilSafe product and Sentry is very helpful to get a solution for them. Yeah. For OilSafe product, they are focused on the lubricating management. For example, for the oil handling, top-up container, and oil transfer drum, that's like the background. We have some major petrochemical company. They have a big improvement after they use the OilSafe product to handling the lubricant. And the cleaning and the drying of the lubricant improving very well. So the quality and the reliability of the equipment going up. The advantage, for example, for the Sentry, the air desiccant breather, for Guardian series, it's very powerful, the long life. We compare with the competitor, we are 4 to 6 times longer. That's very very great. Some OEM wind turbine manufacturers were testing our product, Sentry product, Guardian, in their big gig model, and the performance is great. We are glad to seeing that. More and more customers, or to more and more sub-distributors, we hope the market can growing soon, and more customers can get the benefit from Sentry or OilSafe product.
Thank you so much.